Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a milkshake under 20 rupees. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of chilled milk, about 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a small amount of your favorite flavor extract like vanilla or chocolate. Make sure your blender is clean and ready, along with a tall glass for serving. This simple recipe uses common items to create a delicious, budget-friendly treat. Now let's start blending. Carefully pour 1 cup of very cold milk into your blender. Next, add about 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can adjust this amount based on your preference for sweetness. Then, add 1/4 teaspoon of your chosen flavor extract. Cold milk is key for a thick, refreshing milkshake, so make sure it's well chilled before you begin this step. To get that perfect, thick milkshake consistency, add 6 to 8 ice cubes to the blender with your liquid mixture. Secure the lid tightly and blend everything on high speed for about 30 seconds. You want a smooth, frothy texture without any large ice chunks. If it's too thick, add a tiny splash more milk. If too thin, add another ice cube and blend again. Your homemade milkshake is ready. Carefully pour your frothy, delicious creation into a chilled glass. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a sprinkle of cocoa powder, a dollop of whipped cream, or even a fresh cherry on top. It's a simple, satisfying treat that's perfect for any time. Remember, you can read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. Check the description below for a link to this and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.